Hello guys! In this video, you'll learn how to query data from a database view with multiple related tables and send results to Salesforce. In this video, we explain step-by-step how to query data from a database view with multiple related tables and send the results back to Salesforce using a response interface and creating a message type for an object type view. This tutorial also covers how to create a view with join relationships in SQL Server so you can combine data across multiple related tables. Prerequisite: before learn how to query data from a database view with multiple related tables and send results to Salesforce, you should understand how to create integration, connection destination, adapter, metadata provider, repository, and interface. This function we already explained in another video on our YouTube channel. Step 1. First, you need to complete a few essential steps before querying data from a database view. You should create the view and understand how to use joins between related tables in SQL Server. Here's my SQL Server database. You can see that I have many tables in my database, but I want to show you two tables that have a relationship. The first table is named DBO accounts, which has 5 fields. ACC_ID is the primary key of this table. AC name, AC number, AC billing city, and AC billing country. The second table is named DBO contacts, which has 4 fields. Contact_ID is the primary key of this table. First name, last name, and ACC_ID is foreign key of this table. I want to combine both these tables to join a relationship. We use multiple tables because each table stores different types of information, and users often need to combine that information into one result. Now we need to create a view and combine the tables. Click on New Query. Now enter the code to create a view that combines both tables. Here's my view name, Account and Contact. Its select field, ACC_ID, AC billing city, AC billing country, AC name, and AC number from table DBO accounts. And select field first name, last name, and contact_ID from table DBO contacts. Make sure your code is correct, and then click on the Execute button. Now we have successfully created the database view that combines both the accounts and contacts tables. I have a record that comes from the accounts and contacts tables, and I want to use a database view to query this record and send the result back to Salesforce. After creating a view with multiple related tables, you need to create a message type for the database view. Navigate to the Metadata Provider tab. After creating the metadata provider and repository, click on Import Database Metadata to create a message type for the database view. Now you will see this pop-up screen. For the Deployment Options field, we support 2 options. Choose On-Premise. For the Connection Destination field, choose the connection you created. For the Adapter, choose your outbound adapter. For the Object Type field, we support 3 object types: Table, View, and Stored Procedure. In this video, we will show you how to generate a message type for database view, so please select Object Type View. Click on Retrieve Database button. Select the view you created earlier. Click on Create Message Type button. Now you can see that your database message type for the database view has been created successfully. After successfully creating the message type, we need to set up the interface to do the processing. Navigate to the Interface tab. We need to create a request interface and a response interface. In this use case, we use the request interface to query data from the database view, and we use the response interface to send the result back to Salesforce. Click the New Interface button to create the request interface. Now you will see this pop-up screen. If you want to learn more about how to create an interface, please check out another video we've already posted on our YouTube channel. Now, enter your interface name. Request interface. Choose account. Select on deployed status. For operation type, select query. For direction, choose outbound. For adapter, choose your outbound adapter. For interface API version, choose v3. For metadata provider, choose the metadata provider you created earlier. Choose your repository. For source target message type, choose the root node for your database view name. Then click the Save button. Now we need to do mapping. Click on Open Mapping. Here's the structure of the outbound database message type for database view on the Mapping tool page. You can see the source side, which is the S object, and the target side, which displays various fields including where clause node and where expression node. We need to map the tree, map account to account and contact. If we do not map any fields in the request node, the select statement will query all fields from the table. If we map one or two fields in the request node, the select statement will query only the fields that we mapped. I need to query all fields from the database view, so I just need to map only the field used for the where clause. Map name to ACNAME of where clause node to defined condition field name. And then map functions to expression of where expression node to define condition field value. After successfully mapped, click on Save button. Now we need to create the response interface. Navigate to Interface tab. Click on New Interface button to create the response interface. Enter your interface name. Response interface. Choose account. Select on deployed status. For operation type, select upsert. For direction, choose inbound. For the adapter, we don't need to add an adapter for the response interface. For interface API version, choose v3. For metadata provider, choose the metadata provider you created earlier. Choose your repository. For source target message type, choose the root node for your database view name. Then click the Save button. Now we need to do mapping. Click on Open Mapping. We need to map the tree. Map account and contact to account. Then we need to map field to field, like billing city to billing city, billing country to billing country, ACNAME to name, and a number to account number. And then we need to map contact objects. map account and contact to contact. And then map field to field like first name to first name and last name to last name. After successfully mapped, proceed to define the external key. And then click on Save button. Now we have successfully created the request interface and response interface. Then, we need to link the request interface to the response interface. And link the response interface back to the request interface. Click on the request interface. Scroll down to find the inbound/outbound setup section. Then, click the Edit icon button for the response interface. Choose your response interface to link it with the request interface. And then click the Save button. Now click on the response interface. Scroll down to find the inbound/outbound setup section. Then, click the Edit icon button for the request interface. Choose your request interface to link the response interface back to it. And then click Save. After successfully linking the request interface and response interface, we need to proceed with the processing. Navigate to Agent Control Board tab. Select your request interface to start the processing. Query data from database view and respond with the result back to Salesforce. Click on Interface Processing. Click on Send to process manually. After the interface is executed successfully, it will finish processing the query data from the database view, and the results will be sent back to Salesforce. Now go to the Message Monitor tab. Then click the Search button. You can see that one completed message has been created. You can see the message has the request and response message. You can see that the response message contains the contact. Thanks for watching.